4 years ago, on the same exact stage, I was blessed to wear this beautiful crown. Being crowned as the Mutya ning Rosario 2018 seems like a dream to me. The memories I made will never be forgotten, and I am so grateful to have had this wonderful experience. Who would have thought that a 17-year-old dreamer would bring home the crown? Indeed, it was unexpected, remarkable, and a magical moment for me. Competing in this pageant has helped me discover and create the person I was meant to be. But I know that I could have not done this without the people behind my success. So, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to those who believed in me all throughout the competition. To my dad and my brother for their unconditional love and limitless support whenever I take part in any competition, I can never thank you enough for all the guidance and love that you have given me. To my family and friends who supported me since my first pageant, you are all the root of my motivation. I also can't say thank you enough because in each adventure, you stand strong and tall beside me. To my makeup artist, Marvin Vargas, thank you for making me look stunning with your creation tonight. I am always grateful to have a friend like you. To Jaja Santos, thank you for giving me an opportunity to wear some of your masterpiece. As a fan of your creations, I can say that I am lucky enough to wear some. Know that I support you and believed in you since day one. To our SK chairwoman, Ate Kimberly Gomez, I can never imagine what my journey could have been without you. You believed in my potential and treated me like your own sister. I am beyond blessed to have an ate like you. To my man, Francel, my attorney, you are my support system. Thank you for being my constant. Know that I appreciate you in every way. To my mother who is no longer with us, I hope you are proud of your mini-me. I know you are with me in spirit. I love you and thank you for everything. To everyone who cheered and wished me luck behind my back the time that I competed, know that I am profoundly grateful. To my successor, enjoy each moment. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you will take with you forever. Remember that this is not just a precious jewel. It is a responsibility to take pride and show to the world that you have something to tell for the progress of our barangay. Above all, to our Heavenly Father for His will, guidance and love. The glory of this crown and success belongs to you alone. My adventure as Mutya ning Rosario 2018 may be over, but I am ready to see what the next chapter of my story will bring. This is the end of my journey and the beginning for another queen. Once again, I stand before you one last time as the title holder. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Kathleen Rivera, your Mutya ning Rosario 2018, now signing off.